Hello guys, welcome to Ashley Lancelot Show. We are doing the Cobbler Earth people. Uh, I already primed them. I'm dry brushing them with Perplexity White from Citadel. Then I washed them with the Grey Axe Earth Shade, and then towards the end by the Earth King I used Cortex white base to paint the crown and the stuff that needs to be highlighted with the Tesseract Glow from Citadels. I'm just going to be talking about different paints and so forth. I don't know if you guys want this. I try live streaming it, but I cannot find the actual good music that's not copyrighted, and non-copyright music is kind of a gamble. Try to get this thing done and so forth. So I'm probably gonna do a lot of voiceover. If you do want me to record it, I'll try to find some non-copyright music. If you want me to live stream this, I've been playing Dark Alliance and I'll be playing Mass Effect Legendary Edition. I just got that as well. But these are cobbler people. They're basically earth elemental, mini earth elemental. They look really cute. I'm using the elemental earth plane for my campaign coming up in July. I know there's a mage one they made as well, and they made a little bigger version of them, like a whole bunch of them cobble up to be like a giant golem. Try to find them and try and print them out. I might paint those as well, but the next paint job is going to be my Skyjammer ship for them because they got a Skyjammer, and the whole premise is then to go to different planes of existence to get several things done, and also trying to figure out what they're going to do and what they are going to pursue in. So there's like different planes. There's elemental plane. There is the inner and the outer plane, and there's in between those are the astral planes. And we get some try to get some little dead space monsters in there, probably some xenomorph. I can actually mix it up, get them into the Greyhawk realm as well, or the Planescape in the middle to see Lady Pain, or they can go to get Ravenloft. They can do the Vecna storyline, so forth as well. Um, Basically, I'm giving them freedom of choice. I just print it, paint them, make the story for it, and get along from there as well. They even go to the abyssal or the forgot the demonic realm. What was that? The abyssal is the demonic realm. The nine gates, the nine layers of hell as well. Uh, there's a lot of things you can actually do with this. I'm trying to make this more broader, make more newer. I think just being in Forgotten Realm and Faerû in general is more. I don't know how to say it, kind of bland because I've been playing for 20 plus years and a lot of stuff has changed in the Faerûn world. It's just getting more fresh ideas and so forth. I did the water uh, level first time. That was fun, but also trying to get other things in there is kind of a little more complicated and it has to be more well thought out. But if I can do like a little section, different planes, uh, make different creatures that goes around it, that will be probably the best thing for me to do. Um, Wait a second, Oma, don't do it. Don't do it. Just wait for me. Wait for me to no. Wait for me to finish it, and I'll do it for you. Okay? My mom is cutting the fur behind Tiger's butt because his fur is so damn long that his poo sticks in his butt, so you always gotta wipe it with baby wipe. So we're trying. Yeah, yeah, it's kind of yeah. Sorry, I don't really have an actual office. This is like an open area by the living room. This is like basically what I pretty much do. Try to get stuff done at the same time. But yeah, I think this is probably the best idea. I'll probably make one painting videos per week. Probably put music over it. I want to know what you guys think so far as well. But I hope you guys enjoy the painting aspect of it. I will prime everything. Uh, I will get like one set of coat doing it. I might just do a fast paint version of it. I know the Skyjammer ship's gonna take a couple days because it is a massive ship, and I'll be using cheap paint for the base, then use details using more of expensive paint, Pirate Reaper, then Citadel towards the end. I do want to get Vallejo paint. I do want to get Vallejo paint because they're very high quality pigment paint, but I do not have a lot of money to buy a lot of paint. I have these paints took 10 plus years to accumulate, and they go for $6, $7 a bottle. Some of them go for $12 to $15 a bottle, plus tax. So they're very expensive if you keep buying bottles after bottles after bottle. So I pretty much, trying to find a way to dilute it. I want to airbrush, but the garage needs to be cleaned out. And right now, the floor is almost done. We only got the bathroom and the closet left to do. And then I gotta clean the garage so I get airbrushing done. I'm gonna use the camcorder to record the airbrushing. That probably will be the best ideal for me to do airbrushing. I'm not a novice painter. I'm not an expert painter. I just paint for fun as a hobby. If you guys like this, try out, probably the better painter videos that you can probably see is Squid Myers, Maniac, and I forgot a couple other ones I do watch as well. They're like, OP painters. Reason why I want to try better myself is, because, I want to have a little bit more higher quality paint to do, especially the actual human skin tones and face. I used to be able to do it, not as much anymore. Try to get everything done. My hands are very shaky, and it's a lot harder to actually focus on a lot of these things at the same time due to my cognition problem. But hopefully, this will be a lot better. Try to get everything done slowly, maturely. Hopefully, I'll be getting a lot better. We got a few more thing. We got one of the Age of Sigmar. I will try to paint. I think I do have all the color paints. I do want to actually match the color that's on the pictures for it as well. Oh, that actually does what the cloak it says in the back. So I'm gonna have to basically look after this and trying to match it and stuff. I will be very interested in doing actual not contrast, those little light shadowing version of it because I'm still trying to figure that out and hopefully able to get it done. So actually, this actually has everything I need in the back. I think I don't have Iron Ranch skin or Dead Skin Flesh, so I'll buy those too. I do have Nightshade Gloom, I believe, but I think this is something that I can actually do for a video. It's called Lady Olander, Monarch of Grief. It's just one miniature from Warhammer Age of Sigmar, and it costs 45 fucking dollars too. So these are very expensive, and if you guys do want to support the channel and actually help out with it, you always can help donate down in the link below from the Steam Lab, and I can actually get more of these, or people want to send me some miniatures to paint, and I will do that as well. Well, anyhow, guys, hope you guys enjoy the diorama of the minis that I've painted so far. They just gotta be varnished, and it's gonna be done. I'll get some next one done, hopefully for next week, or I'll probably do it multiple times if this video gets a lot of views. Well, anyhow, guys, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, like, and share, and I'll see you guys next time. Have a great day, guys. Bye.